YouTube, what a morning. First, I just want to cover some economic data that came out. So what do we got right here? You know what? Fuck you. Let's do this. Can we reset? Why is it zoomed in, huh? Okay, right now, today's Wednesday, the 4th. 10 o'clock, we're gonna get some stuff, so I kind of fucked up. But I want to get this video out right now. I'll cover those later or whenever. So, NBA mortgage index. Now we've gone down 3.3%, negative 3.3%. That's a lot less home buying. The NBA is an association for, I looked it up earlier, and it's association for like home something or other buying crap. We got a, we were expecting a much less ADP employment change, but we only got a little employment change, so at least it wasn't as bad as they said it was, but don't worry guys, it will get bad. Factory orders, it's going to be down today. We're expected a 0.3 decrease, but it could be more actually. I don't know what ISM services are. Crude inventories are to come up later. Okay, let's get into markets. Right now it appears we are running up a little higher on a 10-minute chart, but don't panic, guys, because this is part of the indicators resetting here. So you see here, look at this 10-minute. We're down big. I'm not sure if this 10-minute is gonna switch or it's just gonna continue to be on the negative MACD side. I'll put on a 5-minute real quick. Okay, so it looks like we just might continue to be negative and keep doing one of these guys, blup 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 blup, and keep weakening. Because I'm gonna show you right now a 30-minute. This 30 minutes gonna blow your mind. Not really. You guys are expecting this because I warned you about it yesterday. I warned you. I've been continuously talking about this pattern that's occurring. Now, we did happen to get some buying this morning out of open. So, if somehow we hold support, then that's very positive for the bulls, but I don't think that's possible. The weight of the crash is on the market's shoulders. Look at the CCI though. We came down so much so fast. Every case when that happens, it goes right to a little bear market here. Right to continuous drops. But we didn't really have a big continuous drop here. We are looking for this market to go lower. We are planning on this MACD decreasing to nil. On shorter time frames, we are getting an increase. We are up right now, I think 70 points or so, a little less. Let's look at a 1 minute. So we are slowly failing. Well, it just keeps going up, guys. The CCI is peaked out though. It's not strong at all. CCI is peaked out. We're at the tricks line. And MACD is almost at the zero line. So look at here. Look, guys. Now we're dropping here. Look at this decline. So this is it, guys. We're going to decrease and continue a 30-minute negative movement. Now I was totally wrong about where the markets were in actuality. I thought they were 6,600. I thought they were much lower. I don't know what the fuck got into my mind or how the hell I came with those calculations, but they were pretty wrong. So let's look at here again. 6,700 is the 200-day moving average. I expect markets to drop to that moving average, and I expect them to go lower. Well, it doesn't on this 30-minute. It doesn't look too. It looks like we're already at a pretty solid low. Look, we're bouncing up with the CCI. We're bouncing, but this could just be a. It just could keep fondling along this area and going down. Like it could keep going up, down, up, down, up, down on this level, possibly decreasing as strength decreases, as everything decreases here. And this is across the board. It's even on a 1 minute we're seeing this. We're seeing this heavy decrease in the CCI, where we're not really decreasing in price. But this is going to switch to a bear on a 1 minute very shortly. I don't want to say it's breaking the pattern, but it is in a sense because we haven't seen. Yeah, look, see on this day we were up, totally green, went down, and drove up. But then here was the top. Oh, we had a little difficulty letting go. So that's probably what's happening here. We're having some difficulty letting go because this area was support yesterday. So I expect this market to drop heavily. We're looking to test that 6,600 level. That's probably where we're going to find support. We're going to find support around the 0% on the S&P, about 2,531, and on the Dow Jones, we're looking at maybe 23,000 around there flat. So we're looking at a 500 point drop. These all could not be as bad as I'm forecasting. What I could do here is pull up stock charts. We'll analyze it, and then I'll let you guys be. Oh, look at that. Look at that, boys. Look at that. We're getting there. This indicates a drop. This indicates a drop. So get ready. S&P. Look here, we're already below it. We got a doji. Doji is a neutral continuation and a reversal. So, but we're below it, and it looks like we're gonna fail it. That's what this is telling me. The market tried to go up past it, but we're failing it. And finally, let's look at the Dow Jones. And look at here. It barely wants to hold on to this level of support. But it's squeezed. It's squeezed between this level of support and here. So I do expect to drop below that. 23,200 is perhaps a good level below it to gain support. But I do expect it to drop more. We did make a lower low here. So we did make lower lows, actually. Not even counting this drop right now. Counting Monday? I don't know. Yeah, Monday. Okay. Oh, we looked at everything. Yeah, we looked at everything. So the S&P, we did not make a lower low, which I'm expecting that to happen. I'm expecting a bad day. Having very difficult time letting go. Very difficult. Very difficult. The markets do not want to give this up because this is a they fought for this, you know. This is the whole year riding on this moment. I mean, this market wants to turn around. I just don't see that happening right this second. You know, at the doorstep, we have a 30-minute chart showing a bear market at the doorstep. I mean, let's look here really quickly. We're still positive, but by how much? It doesn't even tell us because we're that low into it. Maybe here we will. Maybe I made the charts big enough where I could see on this particular chart because it has to do with how big the number is and what it shows. But remember, guys, the Nasdaq is the strongest. What are we at? 1.4. 1.4 and rising. And I won't show that number. 10. So this is probably around 5 and then 1 and then, you know, we could expect so around 10:30 if it doesn't turn around, then we're looking for a move higher, a double move higher into the bullish move. So that's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a potential because it looks different than the other days. So I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. It looks different. This drop wasn't as bad as I forecasted. This drop wasn't as bad as the other two previous drops in this pattern. And this is the third move in the pattern that we forecasted and that we saw. So what is going to happen next, many of you ask? It looks like on a 30-minute we have increasing strength. It looks like we are going to do a bull move higher. We could test this support right here. We could test 6,900. We could fail it. We could test here. S&P 2,612. Fail it. Right here, Dow Jones 24,152. We'll test it. Fail it. But that's if by 10:30 if the 10:30 markets turn around, then that's what we're expecting. We're expecting a little move higher. We're expecting this 30-minute to come up. But the looks of it, it's dicey right now. It's going flip-flopping both ways back and forth. I was originally forecasting lower, and it looks like this is slowly decreasing in strength. So once it does decrease in strength, I think it's gonna pull the plug, and we're no longer gonna be able to hold this right here. Well, thank you very much, guys. It's Market Michael here, coming at you with another video. We are looking at a down day that tests the 200-day moving average, tests the lows of the markets, and is going to give us direction to move forward. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Good luck trading. As soon as a pattern emerges, trade it, guys. Trade the patterns. Trade the patterns. Over and out.